Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare jong sarkar pedeng harengkat ka jinge trailang bat ka Meghalaya State Agriculture Marketing Board lembat ka Directorate of Horticulture Meghalaya kila penlong ye ka jing PYNSNGEWTHUH pat ba HALOR ka Cluster Development Program hakasngi balang ka arpo kandai tarik ubnai jilleo arajar arpo ar hagani ka jo ka sngi la penlong ru ye ka lempung ki nongrep ne ka krishi mela ha multi facility hall jong ka snong Shangpung Molibang West JAINTIA Hills District ha ka ba UMDC uba J Trailang Suchiang ulalong kumukongsan harengkat ka jingedon lang jong Manisha bat kintobru ki officer jong ka office u district horticulture officer
Kristong ngat sen kam tam rap ko bero ni jai sini pon ki jai tu tukwa pon na ba ko am na tha ni he Pesa si singali tipu klang tin e churi pi wat ini office le hampu churi ini pruyong itu ka erabe dam e jingrap leba pun sino e kinja onas program ong pri rap kam ri ginong tom sino yung de Europe leba kat kam kecuk por buga kani hawarap le on pok chudun juwa kam machin kam gor Ini kisumbay ang kampo at kamandate kisumbay ni kapuna ni lembaga office ng horticulture penjo ini wa kamu ban paseni o ay ni ginong ay nuksabi ni ginong rep ay ubha ngayon ni ginong office to ay kijing ang nur kijing kwa yung kilimsik mat kara kuring ku biblika sporting house ma declare guy
because this is all turmeric who are doing lakadam because our project is which we have given for the cluster development which we have given that is for lakadam so to popularize it more This is actually one of our schemes, cluster development program,
okay.
CDA.
Yes.
So under this cluster development scheme, we have picked up Meghalaya, West JAINTIA Hills for turmeric, lakadam variety.
Yes.
So today we are here for a Kisan Mela as well as a awareness camp on what this cluster will be doing. We'll be highlighting what will be the work of the cluster, how it will work, how they have to come, how they have to approach we have already made an agency which is called CDA, Cluster Development Agency. So they will be helping the farmers out for various reasons for the development of lakadam variety. Technically, because of the curcumin content, this lakadam variety it has a medicinal value. This curcumin has a
particularly
medicinal
for cancer.
Yeah. Because of the marketing problem, when this cluster work goes on, they will have marketing also. We have assigned the Meghalaya State Marketing Board. They are the a nodal agency who will be looking after this cluster work. So Meghalaya State Marketing Board will help them in the marketing process further.